see, I got some drone mail today. Let's see what we got. It's by HScopter. It is the folding drone. Comes with 2 batteries. It's ready to fly. 2.4 gigahertz. Yeah, it's a folding drone. And there's the little box. And there's the quadcopter unfolded. And there's the control. Looks pretty cool. Comes with 2 batteries. I won't be able to fly it today. The next time I can fly, maybe in 2 days on Friday. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the unboxing. It has no GPS. This is just a basic quadcopter. Yeah, with altitude hold, gesture mode. You can change the camera angle with the controller. And yeah, by Hoshi HS Quadcopter H107 brush motors, and it's ready to fly. Alright, well, hopefully I can fly it soon. Yeah, like, is that for sure Friday? Well, thanks for watching. Oh wait, yeah, this controller looks nice. This looks like the Z5, but without GPS. Yeah. Alright.